So this is for those of you that don't want to attempt painting a shovel and have an extra pieces of your transfers laying around. I thought this was a great idea, so I gave it a try. And I'm basically painting my Dollar Tree shovel with cashmere. Once dry, I used a 320 sanding block. And here's a piece of a transfer that I had laying around. I always have a box of all the pieces in case something like this comes up and there's no sense wasting it. I believe this is Sunflower Farms that I'm cutting out with my scissors. And once I had a plan, I released the transfer from its protective paper and laid it down on my shovel. Now, over by the handle, there's a little bump, so you kind of want to move the transfer from one side to the other and make sure it's laying completely down. And I try to start in the difficult areas first. So I want to work on that little bump and make sure that the transfer has adhered there first. And as you can see, the transfer has made contact. You can start lifting up the top layer paper that, lays across the top of the transfer. So that's Sunflower Farms. Here I had a piece of Royal Burgundy left, and I cut it in the complete shape of the shovel. And again, as you want to rub it down, you want to kind of concentrate on that little hump that's by the handle, and you don't really want to start rubbing until you feel like it has formed around that little bump. And that's where I'm going to start first and move my way out to the edges. And then you want to make sure you, rub the transfer in and make sure that it has adhered completely. And there you go. Guys, have a great day. Thank you so much for watching. ChalkItUpFancy.com.